First of all, we're gonna put a quarter of a jar with water. Think that would be good? Next, you're gonna fill it up to almost the top with cooking oil. See how the water and the oil separate? All the oil goes to the top and then the water just stays at the bottom where it just was. Now we're gonna put in a few drops of food coloring. Right, now we're gonna add the alka-seltzer, break up the tablet and put it in. And I'm guessing it's gonna be cool. Let's have a look. Wow, that's so cool. And that's how you make a lava lamp.